name is Nodumo Sidwaba. I'm the Human Resources Manager at the University of the Western Cape. As the university, we strive to employ diverse workforce that includes not only race and gender, that includes also people with disabilities. We are very embracing of people with all abilities. What we do as the university, when we advertise for positions, we do allow everybody to apply. We have a disability declaration process, and if it's an existing staff member, they discuss their need with the line manager or the HOD as we call them. So the HOD organizes with the HR consultant for an assessment to be done by a professional occupational therapist, and that occupational therapist is appointed by the university so that they can have an assessment of what the disability is and if there's any reasonable accommodation that would be needed for that staff member. The departments and faculties, they have to budget for those devices that would be needed for their people. And in all of this, the HR consultant is kept abreast so that they can advise where they can. And the university is very progressive in terms of ensuring that people with disabilities are accommodated as according to their needs. We are a very caring university, we are a very inclusive university, and we intend to not only appoint people with disabilities based on the targets that are set by the Department of Labor. We look at all employees not only according who they are, but according to their abilities. Thank you very much.
Hi there, welcome to the Center for Student Support Services. My name is Carmen Lopsha and I'm an administrator here at the Office for Students with Disabilities. Our office provides support for students with disabilities at UWC, and some of the services that we provide are conversion of academic material for our blind and visually impaired students, mobility access for students with wheelchairs and who use assistive devices to walk or to be mobile on campus. We have mobility vehicles for students' use as well, a fully fitted lab with assistive technology, screen reading technology and magnification devices for students with visual impairments.
Hi, my name is Andiswa Qaboka. I am a Master's in Law candidate. I did my undergrad here at UWC, started in 2019. What I can say about CSSS is that it has helped me very much when it comes to the transition from high school to university. Like, it has made me feel more comfortable, confident, and basically independent because they've shown me how to maneuver around on campus and provided me with assistive devices, and yeah, the staff members are very nice. During COVID, because I did my second year here also, as I said, that my undergrad I did it here at UWC, so many students dropped out during that year, especially like law students. Many paused their studies, but with the assistance of CSSS, they really helped us. They were the ones checking up on us, making sure that we submit on time, making sure that there are reasonable accommodation made for us.
Greetings everyone, my name is Kanyiswa Wiseman Mahasi. I'm the University of the Western Cape staff member. I've been working for UWC for over 10 years, if I may say. I'm working for the Faculty of Community and Health Sciences. I am the Faculty Officer of Clinical and Community Engagement. Through my passion in sport and involvement whilst I was a student here in UWC, since 2019, I think we decided that we want to start UWC Staff Sport Association. This was influenced by University Sports South Africa staff component. The launch was in 2019, which was in Durban. The university staff members of UWC took part in this inaugural tournament. It's mostly about, as I've said, we're offering these 4 sporting codes, but mostly looking at differently abled also. We are most welcome and open to differently able staff members who want to participate in sports.
Good day guys, my name is Chitwin Meyers. I am a student assistant, also a gym instructor at the UWC gym. The UWC gym is accessible and open to all people, whether you have a disability or not. At the UWC gym, we do have provisions for our disabled community as well. If we do have, for instance, an individual who is in a wheelchair, we do have ramps available which they can use in order to gain access to our facilities. We encourage everyone, come and join our gym.
Hi, good day. My name is Trevor Fredericks. I'm a housing cluster coordinator in residential services, and I'm in charge of Cluster 1, which is Krizani Residence. So at Krizani Residence, we've prepared the first 3 blocks for students living with disability. So we've created a ramp in each block. We've created a space where they can watch TV inside the block. We're going to convert that area also into a kitchen now in December, and also the bathroom facilities has been converted to accommodate all students who are living with disability.
Hi, my name is Clint Broff. I am the manager for materials development, digital media and audio-visual services at CIECT, the Center for Innovative Education and Communication Technologies here at the University of the Western Cape. The core function of the CIECT unit is support, staff and student support. So we have a number of initiatives for both staff and students. The main one being learning management system Ikamva support, which is offered by our instructional design team.
My name is Fundile Nkunge. I'm the manager, one of the 3 managers for the digital academic literacy and ICT skills. Basically, digital literacy is for students and staff. That's my main responsibility. And we, on the DA side, digital academic literacy side, we train students on the basic digital literacies, and including with the students with disabilities. But it's not just the training for them, but they are included in that. But we always support them via the CSSS department. We had this time around a visually impaired student, and we also had a complete blind student this time around, which is very challenging with us to support the complete blind student due to the systems not really talking well with their softwares on their side. But we've tried our best to assist our students, customize the program for them so that it suits them. Wow.
Good day, my name is Glenn Bentley. I'm the Support Services Manager in the Sport Administration Department. The UWC sport facilities are accessible to any member of the student as well as the staff community. The facilities make provision for people with wheelchair access. If you look at the stadium, we've got a specific area that is for people with wheelchairs.
Hi, I'm Trevor Fortune. I'm the manager for client services at the library. It means anything related to access, and one of my portfolios is also students with disabilities. We have a dedicated space for users in the library. It's situated on level 5 as you come into the library in the Malangatana reading room. Now, this facility is fairly well equipped. It has desktop PCs. It has JAWS, job access with speech. It also has scanners and Zoom text, which blows up text 2000%. Most of these adaptive equipment that we have is geared towards persons with low vision. Also, what the library does is, if a student has mobility issues or even low vision and they struggle to find material on the levels high up, then the staff is prepared to get the items for them. I think that is important to make that point. And also the ramp is extremely steep, so if you don't have a motorized wheelchair, it's very difficult to get up on the ramp to find material. So we try and support our students in any way we can.
Good day, my name is Brandon Clark. I'm the university's fire coordinator, currently based in the Risk and Compliance Department. So this building over here, the CAMS building, is one of our relatively new buildings. In terms of the implementation and when it got started up, we recommended that it has tactile flooring, as well as in terms of the fire compliance, having auditory sounds as well as visual aids to assist students with disabilities coming downstairs. We have the use of evacuation chairs that can safely and controllably assist students to move downstairs safely. Further enhancements to assist students with disability is actually an assistance for all staff members and students, which is to have more tactile signs, fire alarms with bells and strobes to assist visually impaired and also hearing impaired staff and students to identify when an actual emergency is taking place.
My name is Ismail Adam from UWC Infrastructure Engineering. Infrastructure engineering, we take on capital projects, refurbishment projects and minor works projects. And today I would like to take you through the SCIP project, South Campus Education Precinct project for the Faculty of Education. In this particular project, for example, we at best accommodated universal access by creating ramps, tactile paving, elevators, braille signage, disability ablutions, and bright colors for the visually impaired. In our current projects that we are having, at best we are trying to accommodate for the universal access by looking into disability ablutions, tactile paving, and providing a better, safer campus.